What did my GoPro just catch?
What's up, baby?
They just kissed in front of the GoPro. GoPro.
Ben 10, huh?
Ben 10. What?
Dude. Ben 10, huh?
Slay girly.
Hey.
I can't feel my feet.
If I was an American politician,
American idiot. I don't want to be an American idiot.
25, Heritage High School, Legion of General.
I'm an idiot.
The Legion of General performed their show Blue, featuring the music of Carlos, Rafael Rivera, Kenny Dorham, Frank Picelli, Arthur Pryor,
Gary.
Thurston, and Ariel Bennett. The Legion was under the swing led by
Left. That's so beautiful. What?
The Legion of Generals was grand champion twice this year, once at the Bradley Classic and once at the Northwest Trumpet Classic. In all, the Legion has defeated 38 of the 40
my troubles on a burning pile. Only out there start to smile.
The Legion is joined on the field by
What's a
the
Z flat?
Georgia 3A State Championship 5-star dance team.
Is that a note?
Drum major, is your band ready to take the field?
Last time, best time, guys.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy the
Pure
Legion
sound of a
of
trumpet.
General.
Can you see Travis? Is the ocean? What? We get 3 seconds. Blue. I might have early. 4. Step push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Up. You like apple cider vinegar. You like
But she can maybe not be crooked.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kick up. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up.
Legion of Generals would like to thank all of our fans for a strong season. I'd also like to thank the
How was it, Karen?
Harlem fans for joining us here in this competition.
I think I held over 2 times. But it's fine. I got that. That top three runs right there.
It's just a really long button to get my way.
Oh yeah, I'm not even buttoned up here. Left, 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 left. How was it, guys? Any last things to the cameras?
You overheld on that.
I know the bang.
I have to pee so much.
Okay, we do not need to know that. Anything you want to say, Lily?
I almost ate it.
Anyone want to say anything? Karen, last words to the camera.
Holy pig!
Travis, any last words to the camera?
You know, sometimes you just.
My glasses are coming off. Anything last?
Last time, best time.
Best time, Trumpets. Last time, best time, guys. Last time, best time.
For me, that was really last time.
Altissimo. I hit a G7.
Yeah, those like.